Very good morning to all my dear friends. Already we solved many exercises from this GCSE board and grade 8. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic fractions, which involves variable and constant too. So we will see that how we are going to solve the algebraic fractions involving multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. And especially how we will be going for cancellation of common factors. So that is the main important point which we need to remember or which we are going to solve in this particular video. Okay. So first of all, thank you very much, my dear friends, for your good comment, for your encouragement, motivation, and your continuous support, which I am getting always. Always. Thank you very much. Let us move to proceed, or let us proceed to solve the questions. Okay. So, first of all, what are algebraic expressions? See, algebraic expressions are those, or you can say mathematical expressions, consisting of variables and constant together are called algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. So this type of expressions do not contain only, you can say, the number like 2 and there, 3 is there, 4 is there. So these numbers are only called as constants. Okay, these are the numbers. But when the expression will be in the form of 2x or 3x square or 5x plus 4, so these expressions which is consisting of a variable x and along with its one constant is there, which in this particular case will be called as coefficient. Okay, so the coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of x square is 3. So when the coefficient and variable both are combined together and it is expressed in the form of, you can say, utilizing multiple operators, it may be plus, minus, it may be multiplication and division, then it will be called as an algebraic expressions. Then what are called algebraic fractions? So fractions consisting of algebraic expressions. Okay, so like fraction, you know that any type of fraction or rational number, how we are expressing it? We are expressing it in the form of p by q, and where q is not equal to 0. And p and q both are integers. P and q are both integers. That is called rational number. But when we say about algebraic fraction, so okay, let me give you an example of rational number. So 2 by 3 is a rational number, 1 by 2 is a rational number. Okay, 5 by 7 is also a rational number, it is a fraction. It is a fraction. Right. So now algebraic fraction, when we say, so we will be having any example as 2x by 3 or 2 by 3x. It may be, you can say 5x square by 7x or 4x square y divided by 3xy. So these type of expressions where more than one variable also can be, it's not limited to only one single variable, it can be more variables also, many number of variables can be added there. And if it is in the form of p by q, okay, here I will not be writing as p by q, both are integers or not. Okay, why? Because 4x square y, where variable is there, we do not know the value of variable at that particular point of time. But certainly denominator should not be equal to 0. In each and every case, denominator should not be equal to 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. That is the case. Always it will be existing. So these type of expressions are called as algebraic fractions. The same thing we are going to discuss in this particular video today. Okay. Now, coming to multiplication. So multiplication means, suppose two algebraic fractions, 2x by 3 into you can say, let it be 5 by 7x square. If two algebraic fractions are having a relation between them as multiplication, it will be called as multiplication of fractions. Even 2 and x. So if when we are writing 2 and x, so there is a relation between both the you can say one operator constant is there, that is called coefficient, and variable. The relation between them is multiplication. So with multiplication only both of them have come together. So this type of expressions where multiplication is involved for algebraic fractions, then it will be called as multiplication of algebraic fractions. Similarly, we are going for division of multiplication. So multiplication, you can say that not only algebraic fraction, even algebraic expressions also, like 2x into 4x will become 8x square, 3x into 4y, okay, it is not plus, 3x into 4y, so 12xy. These also will be called as multiplication of algebraic expressions. Similarly, when we are going for division, this particular expression what I have given to you, it involves even multiplication also, even division also. Okay, because it is in the form of fraction. So we can say that when it will be 2y by 3z. So this is division. Okay, 2y is divided by 3z. Even we can have two algebraic fractions which are divided, like 2y by 3z divided by 4x square by 5x or 5y can be done. Between them is what? Division. So these are fractions which involves division. Similarly, there will be fractions. It may be fraction, it may be algebraic expression which involves even addition also. Even addition also and subtraction also. Addition means suppose 2x plus 3y. So two algebraic expressions are added together. So addition. Even it may be subtraction also. So once it is subtracted, so you can say that 2x minus 3y. So in between subtraction sign has come, so it is subtracted, two algebraic expressions. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division all are all we are going to discuss today with the help of the exercises given in grade 8 GCSE book. Okay, which we also call it as IGCSE board. IGCSE board. Generally in UK and all it will be called as GCSE board. GCSE board. So now here we have seen that two algebraic fractions are being divided. So 4x by x. So x is common, we can cancel it and our answer will become 4. So all these questions are for simplification. So we need to simplify it to its lowest terms. Simplification always will be there to its lowest term. Similarly 6y by 2. So this 2 as a common factor, it will cancel 6 as 3. So it will become 3y. That has come to its lowest term. Similarly 6x divided by 3x. So by 3x, x and x got cancelled and 3 2 just 6. So it will become 2. Here it has become 12a by 4b. So a and b both are different variable, but 4 can cancel this 12 as 3. So it will become 3a by b. Okay, right. Next question is 3ab by 6a. So this a got cancelled and 3 2. So it will become b by 2. Okay. Similarly here 9a by 3b. So 3 3s are 9 and it is becoming 3a by b. Okay. Now in this case, some people may get confused. Confused in the sense that 12c square. So for the student who are in grade 8, sometimes they may get confused. So for them actually I am telling c square can be written as c into c. Where only single variable is there, problem is not there, you will be able to cancel immediately. But where c square is there, just for your understanding, I am telling you, c square can be written as c into c and 3c can be written as 3 into c. Like this also you can do it. So you can cancel this and 1c you can cancel and you will be getting answer 4c. Okay. Similarly 4 into a you can write a square and 8 into a. Again a will get cancelled and 4 2 ja 8. So it will be giving you a by 2. Okay. Now this 12x. So 12 into x you can write very well. 3 into x into x. So 1x got cancelled. 3 4 and the answer has come as 4 by x. Right? So 8ab square by 4ab. So let us write with multiplication b into b divided by 4 into a into b. So b got cancelled, a got cancelled, 4 2 ja 8 and it is giving to us as 2b only. So denominator fully cancelled, nothing is there and in numerator 2b is there. Okay. This is 3 into a by 15 into a into b into b. So a got cancelled, 3 5 are 15. Okay. So it will become 1 by 5b square. Okay. Yes, 1 by 5b square. It will become 3 into a into a. A square will become a into a. Similarly, b square will become b into b. And now 12ab square, so it is 12 into a into b into b. Now b square both got cancelled. 1a has got cancelled. Then 3 4 ja 12 and it has become a by 4. Okay. Right. Going to 1 star exercise. Same it is there. So 5 into y by 10 into y got cancelled, 5 2s are, so it will become 1 by 2. Similarly here 12a. So now I feel that you all have understood very nicely. Even I am not writing multiplication in between, then also we can cancel it and 6 2. So it will become 2 by b. Okay. Here 3xy by 12y, y got cancelled, 3 4 ja 12. So it has given as x by 4. Here 3a square. So okay, you can write a into a for your understanding. A, so 1a has got cancelled. 3 2 ja 6. So it is a by 2. Right? Okay. Then similarly 10 into b or 5 into b you can write. Okay, so 1b has got cancelled and 5 2. So it has become 2 by b. Now this one 18a by, now 3ab whole square is there. 3ab whole square means 3 square, a square. Oh, sorry, not, it is not whole square. 3ab square only. So 3 into a into b into b. So a has got cancelled, 3 6 and it is giving to us as 6 by b square. Right. Here 3 into a square can be written and b into b square can be written. Then 6 into a into b into b into b. So now this b has got cancelled. This single a has got cancelled. 3 2 ja 6. So it will become a by 2. Okay. A by 2b. Right. Now this one, question number 8. So 15 into A into B into C. Okay. Then 5 into A into B into B into C into C. So 1 A will get cancelled, 1 B will get cancelled, 1 C will get cancelled, and 5 3s are 15. So it will be giving us as 3 by A, B, C. Okay, right. Now here, ninth one, 3 A into A. You can put multiplication here, no problem. And then 12 into A into B into B. Okay, so 1A has got cancelled and 3 4 are 12. So it has become A by 4B square. Right. This one, A, B, we will write multiplication into B into C into C into C. Divided by, here ABC whole cube is there. So ABC whole cube will be equal to A cube, B cube, C cube. Okay, complete cube will be there. So A into A into A, again B into B into B, and again C into C into C. So C, all the three will get cancelled. Similarly, 1B will get cancelled. Similarly, 1A will get cancelled. Left with 1 by A square into B square. So A square, B square. Okay. Now, 11th one. So 150. Okay, we can use law of indices also, but here law of indices we are not using. We will be using later on. Separate exercise is there for that, where law of indices has to be used. So no need to worry. We will do it in exercise 5. Here law of indices we are not using. We are simply cancelling into B by 400 into A into A into B into B into B. Okay. So A cube 2A will get cancelled. Now B square, here 2B has got cancelled. Now what about 150 by 400? So 1010 has got cancelled. Then 5 3 are 15, 5 8 are 40. Okay, so it will become 3, and in the numerator A is there, then 8, in the numerator B is there. So 3 by 8 A by B. Sorry, 3A by 8B. Okay. Similarly, here I will solve now directly. Better let me solve here. So 45x cube y4 z5 divided by 150 x to the power 5 y to the power 4 z to the power 3. Now I am going to solve directly, but for your solution you can write 45 into x into x into x, then y into y into y into y 4 times, then z 5 times. Like this you can do it. Okay. First of all, let me cancel this one with the 5 I can do, 5 9 ja 45, and this one I can do 5 3 ja 15, so 30. Then again with 3 we can cancel, 3 3 ja 9, 3 10 ja 30. So 3 by 10 we have got for this one. And x cube, here it has become x square. Okay. Right. And y to the power 4, y to the power 4, completely it will get cancelled. And z to the power 3 and z to the power 5. So it will be cancelling it with z square. So our answer will become 3 by 10, and in numerator we do have z square, in denominator we do have x square. X square. Okay, so this one will be the answer. Okay, now coming to exercise 2, here we are going to multiply. Now we have already understood the basics. Once we have understood the basics, so now there is no need every time to multiply x into x like this. We can even use law of indices also. So that part we can do here. So here simply multiplication is there, 3x by 4 into 5x by 3. So here again common factor we need to cancel. So 3 and 3 can be cancelled and left with 5x square and divided by 4. Okay. So similarly here x square y by z into xz square by y square. So this z, okay, so if you want you can do it like this. Simply multiply x square into x will give you x to the power cube. Okay, similarly y square, y only is there and here z square is there, so it will become yz square divided by again zy square. So with this y you can cancel one y, with this z you can cancel one z. Now our answer will become x cube z by y. Okay. For this one we can see that x square by y into z by x square into y by z. So this y can get cancelled. This z can get cancelled. This x square will get cancelled and the answer will be equal to 1. For this 4c into 7c square by 7 into 5c. So 1c we will be cancelling, this 7 we will be cancelling, then our answer will become 4c square by 5 only. Okay. Now question number 5. So 3x by 4 divided by x by 8. Here we will be using reciprocal. So reciprocal is what? Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So a number given to you multiplied with its reciprocal will always give 1. So that is called reciprocal. Similarly, if we are given any number as 4, its reciprocal will be 1 by 4. But if we are given any number 1 by 4, its reciprocal will become 4. So a number and its reciprocal, both when it is multiplied together, okay, it will be giving you 1. 4 into 1 by 4, it will be always giving you 1. So that is the definition of reciprocal, and that we are going to utilize here. So 3x by 4 divided by x by 8, which we are going to convert as multiplication. The moment we convert this division into multiplication, the next number, this x by 8, the next fraction, it will become its reciprocal. So it will be 8 by x, just its ulta, opposite. Okay, right. Now in this case we will be cancelling it, then 4 to the 8 and 3 to the 6. So like this we need to solve it. Similarly 4 and then reciprocal, if we will be making it, then it will become AB by 8. AB by 8. Okay, right. Here we can write like this. Then 4 to the 8. So it will become AB by 2. Similarly this one 2b by 3 into 1 by 4. So 2 has got cancelled. So b by 6. This one 2x by 3 into 3 by 2x. Both has got cancelled. We have got 1. Okay. Now question number 9. 2x by y square into y by x. X has got cancelled. with 1y it will be cancelling, and our answer will become 2 by y. This one 5ab by c square into c by 10a. So this a has got cancelled, and then 5 2s are 10. 1c also will get cancelled. So in numerator part only b is left, and in denominator part we are having 2c. Okay, right. Here 4a by 3. If we want, we can write all of them multiplied like this: 5a into 3a, okay, divided by 3 into 2 into 5. Like this also we can write. 2. So this 5 got cancelled. This 3 got cancelled. This 2 has cancelled. This 4 has 2. Okay. So now we have got 2 into a into a into a. So 2a cube. Here 3x square y into z square, right? And z cube into xy. So this y and y has got cancelled. Z square will cancel this z. Okay. Then this x will cancel this one x. So it will be 3x divided by z. For this one, okay, right. Uh, 45 by 50 into p square by q into q cube by p. So 1p will cancel this p, 1q will cancel this q square. Okay, and then 5 9, 5 10. So it is becoming 9 by 10, and in denominator no variable is there, but in numerator part variable is p and q square is there, p and q square. This fourth one 3x by y into y by 6x square. So this y has got cancelled. This x will be cancelling this x square, and 3 2 just 6. So the answer will become 1 by 2x. Right. Here it is 15x square y by z into y square by 3x z. Okay. So this x will cancel this x. Z and z will be as it is, y square will be as it is. This 3 will cancel this 15 with 5. So it will become 5x y cube by z square. Then it is 2x by y into 3y by 4x into 2y by 3. Now in this case, this y and 1y has got cancelled. This x has got cancelled. This 3 and this 3 has got cancelled. And with this 2, this 4 has cancelled as 2. And this 2 also has got cancelled. Now left with in numerator part only y, in denominator part it is 1. So it will be y only. Now this is x cube, x by 2y whole cube is there. So it is what? It is x cube by 2y whole cube, means 2 cube y cube. 2 cube is 8. So we can say that x cube by 8y cube into 2x by 3 into 9y square by 2, reciprocal. Okay, right. So now we will be cancelling this 3 3s are 9, and this y square, it will cancel this y cube as y. and this 2 and 2 has got cancelled, left with 3x to the power 4, right? Denominator 8y only, 8y. Now this one, root a cube b square. Okay, if it is root a cube b square, so just I will tell you that if it is something a is there, so we can write it as a to the power 1 by 2. That root can be written as a to the power 1 by 2. That's why it is called square root. Also, if a cube inside it is there and it is square root, then we can write it as a to the power 3 by 2. So how 3 by 2 has come? A to the power 3 into 1 by 2 has given us as 3 by 2. A to the power 3 by 2. Okay, right. So now here, utilizing the same principle, root a cube b square, we can write a to the power 3 by 2 and into b to the power 2 by 2, so it is 1 only. B to the power 2 by 2, it is 1. So b has come out. Similarly, 6a cube into 3a to the power 5b divided by, here square is there, so it has become a to the power 3 into 2, so it is 6, and b to the power 4 into, then it has come a to the power 3 by 2, again b came out, and ab. Right? Okay. Further it needs solve. Let us cancel common things. This 1b, 2b, 3b. Okay, we'll cancel from here as b. Okay, so b cube, b into b into b, b cube. So b cube will cancel this b to the power 4 and 1b will be left. Similarly, a to the power 5 is there here. So it will cancel a to the power 6 and with 1 a will be left. Okay. Then this 3 will cancel this as 2. Right. So now what we have got in numerator part, a to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, a to the power 3 by 2 into a to the power 3 by 2 will be giving to us as law of indices, a to the power 3 by 2 plus a to the power 3 by 2 divided by 2 a cube into a to the power 4 into a to the power 5. So here in denominator 3 plus 1 plus 1 and b into b, b into b, b square. So this will give to us as a to the power, now 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So will be giving to us as a to the power 3. A to the power 3 only divided by 2 a to the power 5 b square. Again this a cube will cancel a square, so it will become 1 by 2 a square b square. Okay, right. Now here addition is there. We are going for addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division already we have solved. Now going for addition and subtraction. Okay, so there are two methods. One is called LCM method and one is called cross multiplication. Both method I am going to discuss now, and I will show it to you that for two fractions, cross multiplication should be utilized for two fractions at a time. Like suppose for cross multiplication, if I am telling you, so x plus 3 and x plus 4 is there. So our first step is to multiply this one. Okay, so we will get 4x, then plus, which is there, the sign in the middle, and then our next step is to multiply this one. So it will become 3x, and divided by, in denominator, we will multiply both denominator. So 3 into 4. And it has given to us as 7x by 12. When we are going to find LCM, so LCM of 3 and 4 is 12 only. So it means this x by 3 we need to multiply, you can say, with 4, then only in denominator 12 will come. So 4 into x by 4 into 3, multiplying numerator and denominator by 4. Similarly, this x by 4 has to be multiplied by 3 by 3, so that we can get in denominator 12, and then it will be 4x by 12 plus 3x by 12, it will become 7x by 12. So we can see that both answers are same. Answers will be always same. In cross multiplication, there are chances that we will be getting bigger number after multiplication and all, but after cancelling common factors, we can bring it to lowest factor. Okay, lowest term, that is called. So I feel everybody has understood these two methods, and accordingly we can solve. For question number 2, so similarly 4a minus 3a by 12, so this will give us as a by 12. For this one, question 3, it will become 4a plus 3b by 12. So there will not be any change because both are different. These are not like terms. 4a plus 3b are not like terms, so will be as it is. Okay. Question 4. So 8x minus 3x by 12. So 5x by 12. Okay. I have used cross multiplication. Even 3 and 4 LCM will be 12 only. Okay. Now here also we can use cross multiplication very well. 14 into 2, 28a plus 21a divided by 14 into 7 is equal to 49a divided by 98 has cancelled, so it has become a by 2. Okay, here 3a plus 4b by 12, so no change, will be as it is. Here 4a minus 3a by 6, so it is a by 6. Right? This one 3a plus 8b divided by 12 will be as it is. Right. Here it is 9x plus 12x divided by 54. 9 into 6, 54. It is giving to us as 21x by 54. Utilizing 3 as common factor, it has become 18. Okay. So 7x by 18. For this one, it is 14a minus 9a by 21. So 14 minus 9, so it is 5a by 21. Okay, right. This one 14x plus 20y by 35. No change, will be as it is. X and y both are different. Here it is. We will not use but cross multiplication, what I am saying, at a time it's better not to use cross multiplication, but what we can do, any two fraction we can take and we can use cross multiplication and we can solve it, the fraction, and later on again further we can go for. So 2 times we can go for. Like suppose I want to solve 3a by 4 plus a by 3 at a time. So I will do what? 9a plus 4a by 12. Correct or not? Minus 5a by 6. as it is. So it will be giving to me as 13a by 12 minus 5a by 6. Now again I will go for cross multiplication method. So 13 into 6, it will be giving 78. Okay, 78a minus 12, 5, 60. So 60a divided by 12 into 6, 72. So 78 minus 60 is giving 18a by 72. Okay, and 18, 4 just 72. So a by 4. So the answer will be a by 4. Okay, right here it is 3 by 2b. No need, I will go for cross multiplication directly. So 3 into 3b, it is 9b, plus 4 into 2b, 8b, divided by 2b into 3b, 6b square. It is 9 plus 8, 17b by 6b square. B has got cancelled, left with 17 by 6b. Okay, now this 2d square plus 3d divided by d into d square, d cube, right? Okay, so we cannot take common. We can write in bracket, but there is no need. No need, we can say, why I am telling you, 1d we can take it common. So d we can take common, so 2d plus 3 by d cube. Then this d has to be cancelled and left with 2d plus 3 by d square. Okay, right. This one 10 into 2 minus x, so 20 minus 10x. Oh, let me write it stepwise. Okay, 10 into 2 minus x plus 5 into 3 minus x divided by 5 into 10. Like this we can write. So it has become 20 minus 10x plus 15 minus 5x divided by 50. Okay, right. So 20 plus 15, 35, minus 10 minus 5x minus 15x divided by 50. We can take 5 as common factor. So we can write 5, 7 minus 3x by 50. With this 5, we will cancel and our answer will become 7 minus 3x by 10. Okay, similarly for this question number 8, 6y plus 18 minus, okay, so I will write like this because we may commit mistake. This one also I will write like that only. Okay, 5 into 6. This is giving to us as 6y plus 18. Okay, 6y plus 18 minus 5y minus 20 divided by 30. Now further, its answer will come as 6y minus 5y, so y, and plus 18 minus 20, so minus 2 divided by 30. Okay, so the answer will be y minus 2 by 30. Okay, now this it is there, so what we'll be doing, x minus 3. So let us solve these two first. So it will become 4 into x minus 3 plus 3 into x plus 5 divided by 4 into 3. So 3 into 4 minus 2x minus 1 by 6, and further 4x minus 12 plus 3x plus 15 divided by 12 minus 2x minus 1, and it is giving to us as 4x plus 3x, 7x, minus 12 plus 15, so plus 3 divided by 12 minus 2x minus 1 by 6 by 6. Okay, so now further we will be solving 6 into 7x plus 3 minus 12 into 2x minus 1 divided by 12 into 6. So this has given to us 7, 6, 42x plus 18 minus 24x, minus minus will become plus, so plus 12 divided by 72. So now 42 minus 24. So 24 plus 8, 32 and 10, 42. So 18. 18x and plus 18 plus 12, so plus 30 by 72. We can take common as 6. So 6, 3x plus 5 divided by 72, 6, 12. So the answer will become 3x plus 5 divided by 12. Okay. Now question number 10 is a by a minus 1 minus a minus 1 by a. Okay, we will go for cross multiplication. A square minus a minus 1 whole square divided by a into a minus 1. Okay, right. So we can do it like this. We can utilize the formula also, but formula part, whether our students are knowing or not. So we will go for a minus b whole square formula. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so for a minus 1 whole square, it will be a square plus 1 minus 2a. So that only we are going to write now here. So a square and minus a square minus 1 plus 2a. A square has got cancelled by a minus 1, then equal to 2a minus 1 divided by a into a minus 1. So this one will be the answer for this one. Denominator we can write a square minus a, but a into a minus 1 also we can write. Okay. So I feel that our students have understood that how to deal with this algebraic fractions, algebraic expressions with respect to its division, with respect to their addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. So thank you once again, and we will see each other very shortly with next video. So I have solved in this video up to 3 star, then we will solve 4 star, 5 star and 6 also, and revision part in the next video. Okay, so thank you very much.